Kim.
I'm Brad.
We're 6260 Haunted California, and today we're going to be talking about top 5 rides at Universal Studios Hollywood.
So yeah, we're going to rank them. And of course, this is our Ohana's opinion. So let us know down below in the comments if you agree or disagree. So let's go ahead and start with our number 5.
Despicable Me Minion Mayhem.
Yeah, this is a great and fun ride.
It's got everything. It's got laughs, it's got dancing and music, it's got some jokes.
It's got a fart gun.
Okay. And of course, it's adorable.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. You go through the whole ride. You have the pre-show, then another show, and then the ride.
And of course, it's a little nerve-wracking. What's a good ride without a little tension?
And of course, once you're done with that tension, guess what you get to do? You get the boogie.
Ooh, dance. Okay, yeah, our silly disco moves there.
All right, let's go to our number 4, which is...
The studio tours. This is unique to Universal Studios Hollywood, is to actually kind of go through a working movie set.
Yeah, so it always kind of changes. You never know what you're going to see. Maybe you'll see an actor walk by. And then again, it might be just a grip. Huh.
Or maybe one of our friends that we know. We saw her and said hi from the tram. Nothing to do with movies. She's just works as part of crew. Anyways, kind of cool ride. You can even go to Colonial Street, where Wisteria Lane was filmed for Desperate Housewives. You've got the Munsters, so between, all kinds of different eras, and it always gets redressed, and it's always kind of fun.
And the reason we call this a ride, because there are a couple things you get to go on.
So, of course, just Fast and Furious Supercharged.
Yeah, it's a fun ride. It's still Fast and Furious, so it's not believable. I mean, how do they go down that road, down traffic in downtown LA with no traffic?
Right? If they have some clues, send it our way.
And of course, you have King Kong 360 3D.
That is really cool. You really feel a part of the whole attraction, and it moves, and it's surreal. It's fun.
Of course, you always got
Jaws. Of course, you're at Amity Island, which is really cool, but Scuba Steve may not fare so well. And then one of our most nerve-wracking living here in Southern California is Earthquake.
Yeah, it's a real shaking time.
And then, of course, it's just kind of a fun thing to, drive past where they have working sets and things like that. You never know what you're going to see, and it's just really cool to see. You feel like you're behind the scenes.
Okay, so let's go to our number 3.
Revenge of the Mummy. This is your fun, thrilling roller coaster. And, of course, it's set to a really good movie.
Yeah, it goes really, really fast, too.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, it's a great time. The queue has some entertainment elements to it, which is fun. And of course, the thrill ride of it is you're going on a fast roller coaster straight towards a wall. It does stop, I think.
And then you go backwards in the dark. That's always a good time. So we love The Mummy Revenge.
So let's go to our number 2 choice, which is...
Jurassic World, the ride. Wow. When they redid and rethemed this ride, kind of like updated it,
They really did it. Yeah, they did a great job. It's a fun ride. We enjoy it when we go on it. And there is a little trick to it.
Okay, so if you're wimpy like us, or it's for us in Southern California, we call it winter. I know the rest of the country's laughing at us.
Yeah, they call it late spring. When 62 degrees out, we're freezing.
So you can always go to the back of the ride vehicle. Supposedly you're not supposed to be as wet. We've heard this after winter weather, so we haven't tried that. Maybe next time we'll try it and see how it goes.
We'll see. It's always fun to get wet, though, in the middle of summer, though.
It is. It's a great way to cool off. But my favorite part is the colossal, I'm going to get this wrong, Mosasaurus that's kind of swimming in her habitat and kind of like spills over the water as you go by. That is really cool feature. That blows me away.
Well, you always got like the big drop though too.
Right, and then right before the drop, you see the Indominus Rex, which is 20 feet tall animatronic, and it's intense.
It's a fun ride. We love it. It's a great ride. So let's go to our honorable mention before we get to our number 1, which is...
The Simpsons ride.
Yeah, which is a fun ride. It's great. It really, if you've been on Back to the Future and I was there, they've only changed it a little bit.
Well, the actual ride vehicle and
Yes.
how you move. I think Brad and I are both nostalgic and miss Back to the Future. We do like The Simpsons, but we're kind of purists on that ride, I guess, if you will.
Yeah. That, and you get Maggie spit all over you. It's kind of,
Right?
So let's go to our number 1 ride, which is Harry Potter and Flight of the Hippogriff.
Nope. Try again. It's Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. First time I went on this ride, I was completely blown away. As a Harry Potter fan, if you guys can't see my Harry Potter shirt, I felt like I was in the movie. Like, it was surreal and incredible, and getting to kind of glide through the castle and outside Hogwarts. It's amazing.
You go around, upside down, go all different directions.
Really, it does twist you in so many different ways.
Yeah, and I enjoy the ride. My only issue is I only can do it once, maybe twice a day at most.
I could do it more often. I've done it actually 3 times in a row because the ride stops. So they'd be like, oh, want to go to the front of the line? Sure. Of course not. I'll say, third time we got stuck like almost upside down, like an inverted angle. That one did me after like 5 minutes, like trying to sit up. But I honestly, when you see those Death Eaters and it does. It feels scary and intense, and they just, wow.
Yeah, it's a great ride. Even the queue has a lot of entertainment if you're going through and you're waiting a long time to get into it, which we usually don't do because we're usually running right when we get into the park, right to that as our first ride. So that's our number 1.
So we'd love to hear what your number 1 is.
So please like,
Subscribe.
and follow along with our Hana.
So with that, I think it's time for us to say
Goodbye and
find your magic. Bye, everyone.